In the depths of a forgotten garage, a legend lay sleeping, its glory buried under decades of neglect. But every scar tells a story, and every part holds the potential for rebirth. The journey to reclaim its soul begins. From rust to luster, from dull to vibrant. Each layer of the past is stripped away to reveal the beauty within. The heart of the machine is carefully rebuilt piece by piece, restoring the power and pride it once held. A complete transformation, a classic reborn. This is more than a restoration. It's a tribute to the art of the machine.